there, this is Bala's Creation. Today I'm here with one beginner tutorial about how to draw a simple carrot. Drawing a carrot is easy and fun. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you how to draw a basic carrot. Start by drawing an elongated triangle shape. These will be the main body part of your carrot. It should be slightly wider at the top and narrower at the bottom, like a real carrot. At the top of your carrot, draw a tough green leaves. These can be jagged and irregular to mimic the appearance of carrot greens. Extend them upward and outward from the carrot top. Remember that carrot greens tend to be feathery and not too dense. Take a look at your carrot's body and make any necessary adjustment to ensure it looks carrot-like. You can round out the top a bit more if you need it. Erase any unnecessary pencil lines inside the carrot body and around the carrot greens. You want to keep only the lines that define the carrot shape. Color the carrot body with orange. You can use different shades of orange to add a bit of dimension if you like. Leave the carrot greens uncolored or color them green. To give your carrot some structure, you can lightly draw diagonal lines from the top to the bottom of the carrot body. These lines simulate the structure of the real carrot. Don't overdo it, just a few lines will do. Highlight the carrot with black marker. Finally, review your drawing and make any final adjustment or touch-ups, and erase any remaining stray lines. That's all for today. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.